Hey guys, it's me again, Holly from the Leftover Food Network. Today I came home from work very excited because my sister Nana told me that she just harvested our zucchini from the rooftop garden. Just to let you know, maybe we will have another video coming up soon featuring our little gardens that we cultivate to grow things like vegetables, fruits that we like to eat and accompany our meals on day-to-day basis. But focusing on today, we will try to bake this zucchini with leftover salmon from the other day, mixed with the ground beef as well as some cheeses. If you like the recipe and want to learn and read more, please visit www.leftoverfoodnetwork.com. I posted the recipe on my blog in the bottom of the page, so just scroll down a little bit and you will see the picture that I am posting on this video. If you like this video and this recipe, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to click the notification button so that you receive a notification when we upload a new video. Okay, we'll take you to our kitchen. Nana, in this intro, Nana is still studying, preparing her exam for the summer class, but she'll join us in the kitchen. Let's the cooking begin. Okay, let's see what we have. Not much because we cleaned. We have this old salmon, old bamboo shoot, and a little bit of ground meat. Okay, these are the key ingredients as mentioned earlier. Zucchini is the main base for this recipe. First, we cut the zucchini into half and scrape the core. You can keep the core and mix it with your other recipe, or you can make a part of a zucchini bread. And next, you cook the meat left over or heat up if it's already been cooked, and you can chop the next vegetables, or in this case our bamboo shoot. As we said at the beginning, we had a Spanish Orozco we got from Trader Joe as a base for this zucchini, to put it under the meat and the mixture of the vegetables. Once you mix and cook the meat very well, then you can put the mixture inside of the zucchini before you bake it in the oven. Well, next step is you put into the mixture into the zucchini generously. You put a layer of salmon, layer of beef, and towards the end you pour the Parmesan cheese on top of it. Pour the Parmesan cheese or any other cheese you have generously on top of the zucchini, so that when we bake it, it will melt very nicely. And at the end, you garnish the zucchini with very finely chopped basil before put it into the oven. While the zucchini is cooking in the oven for about 20 minutes, we are making a side dish, which is the corn fritters, and it's a very simple ingredient, which basically frozen or fresh corn that you mix together with shallot, flour, garlic, salt and pepper, and any spices that you prefer for your corn fritters. It is a very versatile ingredients to cook and accompany any recipe. After about 20 minutes or so, we take out the pull out the zucchini from the oven and just check the tenderness of the zucchini. I personally like to cook it only for 15 minutes because I like the crispiness and the crunchiness of the zucchini. It's really fresh, especially for summer. Basically, this is it. You are done with your dinner, and zucchini in summer or in winter, as a matter of fact, is very hearty and very flavorful because it absorbs every flavor that you mix it together. In this case, you can taste the Orozco sauce, the basil flavor, and the taste of the salmon. Once that's ready, you begin to plate. Add a little bit of a blue flour. We grow this flour in the back of our kitchen, and place your corn fritters inside and put the leftover or crispy skin of the salmon on top of the zucchini, and voila, you have a very beautiful dinner out of leftovers mixed with a very fresh vegetable ingredient. And looked very easy, right? It's very, very simple. As you can see, we really enjoy this dinner, very simple dinner, while watching TV. So, sometimes all we need to do is just a little imagination. This is just a simple food that people already know. You just mix things up together and bake it, and you have something different. Otherwise, you eat boring old salmon with something else. So happy trying. Well guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do like this video, please click like button below, and don't forget to subscribe as well as click the notification button. If you have any ideas or recommendation to what recipe next we should try, please write your comment below, or you can reach me at www.leftoverfoodnetwork.com. I'll be happy to explore and review the most interesting ideas from you, especially for those that I haven't tried before. And you can also review our gallery on Instagram at Leftover Food Network, as well as Facebook on Leftover Food Network. Once again guys, thank you very much. I really enjoy working on this video, and looking forward for the next video next week. See you soon. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This will help us grow the channel and create more content for you guys.